Assalamu alaikum, children. And I'm going to start again exercise 11A because yesterday there was some problem of Wi-Fi at my end. So question number 1, exercise 11A, you have to construct a line. In question 1, take a pair of dividers. So look, this is your divider. I am taking out from the geometry box. This instrument is your divider. So take out your divider and you have to make a line on your notebook at your plain page with the help of this divider, this instrument. What to do? You will open it at some suitable length and mark the two ends at your notebook on the plain page. Press it against your page. You will get two marks, two end points. So join those end points with the help of pencil, like I am doing. So draw your line, straight line, and the two endpoints, you will name them AB, as the question is saying, denote the two marks on the paper. So these two marks are denoted by A and B. By A and B, draw AB and measure its length. Now you draw the line with the help of divider and you have to measure its length with the help of ruler. How to measure the line? You will put the ruler at the zero of your centimeter side on A's, and you will put the ruler on the line and you will measure the line. How many centimeters are there? My line is 9.4 centimeter. So I'll say I got a B line which I draw with the help of divider, and the length of line I measured with the ruler is 9.4 centimeter. Got it? So this is how to draw a line with the help of dividers. You will open it at your suitable length and then you will put the divider on the page, plain page, and you will notch the two endpoints by pressing it against your page, and you will get 2 points, and you will draw a line against these points. Join these points. By joining, you will get a line segment, and you will name the line segment as AB. The question is saying your line is AB, measure its length, and then now you have to write the steps of construction. Means what you have done with your dividers and with the ruler, you have to explain how you draw this line on the paper. So steps of construction. The very first step, you can say I took my divider, and place it on paper. Secondly, press the divisor. Press the divider, pair of dividers or divider against the page and got 2 endpoints. A and B. 4. Join. I join A to B. A, B is the required line. Then I put my ruler with the ruler. Let's see. Ruler mark 0 on or at A point. I measure the length which is 9.4 centimeter. 7. I thought I make the line. I draw the using dividers and ruler. These are steps of construction. What you have done with the ruler and with the help of divider, and you get the line AB. So you explain all the procedure in words. So make the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or whatever you want to write in your own words. You can write it down, but explain how you draw. You make a line AB and you measure it. Its length is, you find its length is 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 9.4 centimeter as I draw on the board. So you can draw any of the line, any of the measurement of line could be there. So, but it's your own choice, but you have to write down the steps of construction like this. So this is the very first question of exercise 11A. Make sure you are take the screenshots. So don't forget to write down the steps of construction. Second question is, draw PQ whose length is equal to the length of AB shown in the figure below. Now you have given a line in the book which is denoted by the points A and B. So you have to bring this line on your notebook. Use the next page of your notebook for the second question. So you bring a AB line with the help of divider or with the help of compass. You can do, you bring the line on the page, like I am using compass for the line AB, which I'll denote on the page of, on the board, or you will denote it on the page with the letter PQ. The book is saying you will draw the line just equal to the line AB. The measurement will be equal to the line AB given in the book, but you will draw it on the notebook and you will name it as PQ, which will, the length of AB will be equal to the length of PQ. Now, this is your compass. Children, what to do? Put your pencil, insert the pencil in the hole and These two ends must be equal. The pencil should be smaller than your compass end, and you, because you will move your hands easily, you have to draw an arc equal to the A and B point, and you will name the line as AB. This is the compass. Use the compass to draw the line. So now I'm going to wrap the first question. Do the second question. Don't miss this lecture. Any one of you, mark your attendance, and I'll not repeat. Mind it. Already I am repeating the exercise. Okay, question number 2. So the line is there. First, you have to draw a ray with the free hand on the plain page of your notebook. So draw a ray with a free hand because you have to take out the line AB from this ray, and you will name it as PQ. Now, take your book and put the pin end of your compass on A, press it against A, and open the compass at B, put the pencil on B end, and mark an arc on in your book. So this is the measurement of line AB, and you have to draw the same line on your notebook. So put your compass end, pin end at the P point, call this point, name this point as P, and you will mark an arc with the help of compass. So I get this line, this mark, and this end is said to be Q. So P, say L is the ray, and you draw a line on the page as PQ, which is equal to the length of the line which is in the book as AB. So put your ruler against A. So coincide 0 with point A and measure the length of line, which is 4.4 centimeter in the book. So measure the line, length of line PQ. Look, it is also 4.4 in the on the page. So say AB is the line in the book, which is equal to the line PQ I draw with the help of compasses on a ray, and the line measurement is 4.4 centimeter as it is a line segment. It is part of ray but end up at Q point starting from P and the end point is Q. So it is a line segment having a definite length. So you make a line with the help of compasses on the notebook. Now you have to write down all steps of construction. The very first step is I draw a ray on my notebook with the free hand. Means you don't know the length of ray, and there's no need to mention the length of ray. Free hand. The name is PL, which is the ray. Secondly, you will put what have you done? So place the I place the 0 mark of ruler on the line AB. Okay, place the metal end. Sorry. You place the metal tip of your compass on the ruler, and on the 0 mark on the open the compass until pencil end touches the point B, which is at 4.4 centimeter. I have to rub these steps because you have to write down more steps. Right, one here. Place metal iron. Place the metal end of compass on ray PL at P. PL at P point. Full stop. Write down this on the next line. So you place the metal end of compass on the ray PL at P because you have got the length equal to the length AB with the compass, with the help of compass. Now you have to cross the same line on the ray Now, this is the fourth point, I think. Fifth point. I mark the next point on ray PL as Q. PQ is the required line whose length is equal to the length of line AB. I measure the length, which is 4.4 centimeters. So AB equals PQ equals 4.4 centimeters. It means you brought the line from the book to the notebook using the compasses. Question number 3. You will work with pencil and using ruler and compasses on the plain page. Draw the figure and write down the line AB equal P equals PQ line equals 4.4 centimeter on the notebook, and then you will write down the steps of construction on the next page, which is opposite to the plain page having lines upon it. Write down all the steps of construction in your own words on the page with lines. The third question is, draw XY whose length is equal to the sum of the lengths of A, B, and CD shown in the given figures. So you will draw two lines. You have two lines in the book. Measure their length with the help of ruler, and again draw a ray with the free hand, and you will bring both the lines on the ray. It means you are adding both the lines on the ray, the line AB and CD, and measure the length of AB and CD on the ray, and you will get XY as your full line. You add up both the lines. You will add up both the lines on the ray. So I'll wrap this question. And now question number 3, that you have to do the question on the next page, because you have to write down the steps of construction as well on the next page. So first of all, take a ruler and a compass. Notch the metal end at A and open your compass at B. You will get this length. So put your compass aside and draw a ray on your board, your notebook, with the free hand, because you have to add up both the lines on this ray. And as you have to make line XY, so say this point, the endpoint is of ray is X, and you are going to mark first line AB on this ray. The This is question number 3 of the same exercise 11A. So I notches both the ends AB with the help of this compass. Now put your metal end at X and draw a mark an arc on line X P. So this is not line, this is ray. So mark first arc at this point and say this is the line AB. Its length will be measured from the book. So we'll see what is the length of AB. Now you have to add the next line CD. So now put your compass metal end at C in your book. Like I did. So open the compass up to D and mark an arc in your book. The distance is same from C to D. You are getting this line. Put your compass at this end point where AB ends up, B end ends up. So mark an arc on your ray XP. Another arc gives you the line CD, the length of line CD. Now I am going to measure both the lengths, whether in the book or on the page. So you can measure by putting one side 0 end at A and measure the length of line AB, which is 5.6 in my book. 5.56 and 7. So 5.7 is the length of AB line, centimeter. And what is the length of CD line? Put the 0 of your ruler on the C end, from side 0 to C end, and then measure the length, which is 4 centimeter. This line is 4 centimeter. CD is 4 centimeter. So now what is the length? This end will be your Y end. As the book is saying, draw a line X, get a line XY. When you add up both the lines, so you will say, I draw a line AB on the ray, add it to the line CD on the ray, and get a line XY on the ray. So all are line segments, and AB is 5.7 centimeter, added to the length 4 centimeter, and gives you, do the rough work, 5.7 and 4.0 gives you 7.9. So 9.7 centimeter. You added both the lines, so will add up the length. Now, the total length of line is 9.7, which is XY. Now, steps of construction. I think you can write down the steps of construction by yourself because the time is running out. And you can do the steps. Say, I'm just explaining the steps. I draw a ray XP with a free hand in my notebook. Then I put the compass metal end at A in my book and open the compass at B, and AB is the line, the length of line I get on with the compass, with the help of compass. So I put the metal end at X in the notebook and then mark an arc at B end, and I get a line length equal to the line AB. Then I put the metal end in the book at C and open my compass at D. So I bring that length CD on the ray. So put the metal end at the B end of the line, which is starting from X. So then mark an arc at Y. So say this point is O, XO. So XO is the AB line equal to the AB line, and then OY is equal to the length, which is equals CD line, length of CD line. So I join, I measure the lengths, both the lengths AB and CD, which I get from which I get 5.7 centimeter and 4 centimeter. So add up both the lines, I get the total length of XY line, which is 9.7 centimeter. So I added AB to CD and get XY, which is equal to 9.7 centimeter. These are the steps of construction you can write down by yourself on your notebook. The time is running out. So if any questions, you can do the steps of construction by yourself, children. You did in class 5 as well. So you can write down the steps of construction in your own